All right, acids and bases mini lesson. Um, Really, the only thing I need you to know is I need you to know the properties, and these are simple memorization. You have to know that we eat acids: orange juice, tomato juice, Sour Patch Kids, lemon juice, coffee. Those are all acids. We clean with bases: bleach, ammonia, drain cleaner. And then you just got to know some general things about acids. Acids are zero to pH 0 to 6.9. Several of y'all missed that on the performance exam, so hopefully you won't miss it again. Acids react with metals to produce hydrogen gas. You just need to know that only acids react with metals. And it turns blue litmus paper red. Phenolphthalein is clear in acid, and it is a hydrogen donator, proton donator, hydrogen ion. That is the ion that they were looking for on the performance final, by the way, is that H plus. And then a base is pH 7.1 to 14, or I would have taken, a greater than 7. It turns red litmus paper blue. Bases turn blue. Phenolphthalein is pink in a basic solution. It's also called alkaline. Arrhenius said that bases are a hydroxide donator. Bronsted-Lowry said that they are a hydrogen acceptor, a proton acceptor. That's going to become important in what we do down here. The bigger part of this sheet is identifying acids, bases, conjugate bases, and conjugate acids. And you really need to look up here and see that, okay, it is a H plus hydrogen proton donator. So let's look at these things. I have HCl and I have NH3. And let's see which one of these donates a proton. So if I go over to the other side, if this donates, I should see Cl by itself. So let's look. NH4, Cl. Aha, I think I've already identified the acid. But just to make sure, I'm going to go to NH3. And if this is the donator, if this is the acid, then on the other side it will be NH2 because it will donate a hydrogen. It's NH4, so it is the acceptor of the proton. So I have found my acid, my base, and then what you need to know is that acids turn into conjugate bases. Well, we already said that this is what donates the hydrogen, so on the other side it's just Cl. I see it right there. This is my conjugate base, and bases turn into conjugate acids. And that is all you need to know to identify acids and bases. So I'm going to do another one just in case you missed that the first time. Now, if OH is my acid, which I know it's not because a hydroxide is a base, hydroxide, but if it was on the other side, it would be oxygen by itself. I don't see any oxygens by itself. So let's look at HCN. HCN, if this is the acid, then on the other side, all I'm going to see is CN without that hydrogen attached because it's going to donate it to my base. CN, there it is. I have found my acid and my base. And consequently, acids turn into conjugate bases. CN, HCN turns into conjugate base. And bases, OH, which gained an H and became H2O, conjugate acids. That's it. That's how you do that.